Very good morning, students. This is your English teacher. In the previous class, we saw the lesson Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. I already informed you that our lesson is an extract from Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography, Playing It My Way. Once again, Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography, Playing It My Way. And let me sum up what we have seen in the previous class. Actually, this lesson describes how Sachin spent his early school days and early cricket career with his coach Ramkan Achrekar sir. Actually, the lesson describes how Sachin get familiar with cricket and how his coach helped him in pursuing his career in cricket. Okay, I go through the lesson. You see, learning the game by Sachin Tendulkar. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. Actually, I described the first two stanzas. You see, I sum up what we have saw in the previous class. Actually, at the age of 11, where Sachin was studying in New English School, Mumbai, and from his childhood days onwards, he had a great passion for cricket. So only he loved watching cricket on television and in our games. Actually, two players attracted Sachin from his childhood days. One is Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. And on seeing the great interest of Sachin's passion on cricket, Ajit, who is his brother, Sachin's brother Ajit, took Sachin to Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where Ramkan Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. You see why Ajit took Sachin to that school, because that school only giving importance to cricket, because there they have the coach Ramkan Achrekar sir giving importance to cricket and ran summer camps. For that reason only Ajit took Sachin to the summer camp of Ramkan Achrekar sir. You see, there is a coincidence we saw in the previous class. When Sachin tried to participate in the summer camp, he was 11 years old. Like that, his coach Ramkan Achrekar sir also started playing cricket in 1943 at the age of 11. This is what we saw in the previous class. You see, there is a question for you. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Who were Sachin's favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards were the favorite players of Sachin. And what was the special about Sardasram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? What was the special about Sardasram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? That is the school giving importance to cricket, giving importance to the game of cricket. There they had the coach Ramkan Achrekar sir, and he also conducted summer camps too. That is the special about Sardasram Vidya Mandir. I once again sum up the speciality of Sardasram Vidya Mandir, because it was giving importance to cricket and had a great coach called Ramkan Achrekar sir, and they conducting summer camps too. That is the speciality of Sardasram Vidya Mandir. Okay, I go to the next stanza. You see, I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overwhelmed with so many people around. In the first stanza itself, we saw that Sachin started playing tennis ball cricket along with his colony friends and loved watching like that. This is the way he practiced. But this was the time he was among so many people, so he was overawed. You see the word overawed, which means impressed or excited. Actually, everyone has a little fear. If we have to do some kind of activities among so many people, we feel little shy or excited like that. Sachin also felt impressed and excited to practice with so many people around. Actually, this is the selection process of Ramkan Acharikar sir. Actually, in the previous class, I said everyone can participate in the trial, but the selection process should be made only by the coach. And it was Sachin's turn to practice before the coach, but he felt some kind of excitement or some kind of shy. So you see, I had never batted. You see, Sachin had never batted in the nets before and felt impressed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, it was Sachin's turn to bat before the coach. I was not at all comfortable. You see the underlined words, not at all comfortable, because he had a kind of fear that so many people are watching and the great coach is also there. And how can we bat easily? So that was not a comfortable tone for Sachin. You see the remaining lines. With Sir watching me so closely. You see, there are so many people and Sir also watching closely. I failed to make an impact. That time, Sachin failed to make an impact. Impact means giving. Here we refer giving a best. Actually, this is a trial, and it was a turn to Sachin, but he never did better. So, Sir called Ajit and set us aside and informed him. On seeing how struggling Sachin was, and Sir called his brother Ajit aside. Aside means he called separately and informed him that. And what the Sir informed him? You see, I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. I explained, Sir called Ajit and informed that Sachin looks so young and bring him back when he was little older. பார்க்குறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சின்ன பையனாக இருக்கான், கொஞ்சம் ஃபீராகவும் இருக்குது, கொஞ்சம் பெரியவன் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் அவனை அழைச்சிட்டு வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கோச் வந்து தன்னோட பிரதர்கிட்ட சொல்லிடுறாரு. ஐ ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் ரீட் த லைன்ஸ். சார் கால்ட் அஜித் அண்ட் aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp. Sir thought, his coach Acharikar sir thought Sachin was a very little boy and it took some time to join the camp and continue the practice. That is, he suggested bring Sachin back when he was little older. My induction into the Mumbai cricket could have ended in failure. That time Sachin thought induction. You see the word, what is meant by induction? The act of adding or including someone. The act of adding or including someone. Here Sachin had a great dream to be included in Mumbai cricket circuit. You see the words Mumbai cricket circuit, which means Mumbai cricket team. Sachin had a great dream to join in the Mumbai cricket team, but that time when he failed to make an impact before the great coach, his dream became failure. That is what he explained. My induction into my Mumbai cricket could have ended in failure. Actually, as it is his first attempt, he failed to give his best impression. So he thought our dream have came to a failure. But for Ajit's insistence, you see the words Ajit's insistence. Here the word insistent means demand. Actually, when Sir said like that, Ajit never give up, because Ajit saw Sachin so many times how he was very interested in cricket and how he was batting. So only Ajit made a request. You see the word insist means demand. Insist means demand. He demanded the coach to give him one more chance. He demanded Sir to give him one more chance. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit saw Sachin playing in the colony so many times, and Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Acharikar Sir. You see, Ajit requested the coach to give him one more chance, to give Sachin one more chance, because I saw sometimes Sachin giving better always. So for Ajit request only, because of Ajit's request only, Sir gave another chance to Sachin. Having seen, then you see the next line. Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. Actually, Ajit demanded Sachin feeling some kind of shy or fear in front of the coach. So give him another chance, like that Ajit requested. He explained that I was nervous. That time Sachin was very nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. And you see, this is the wonderful chance to Sachin, because sir giving another chance to Sachin. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away. Actually, that time when a second chance was given to Sachin, sir, Achrekar sir pretend to go away, which means if I am here, Sachin will feel nervous, so I pretend to go somewhere. Like that, Achrekar decided, and he went somewhere, and there on from there itself, the coach watched how Sachin was performing. You see, sir pretended to go away and then watch from dear distance. The coach started watching Sachin from a distance. Then sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and one more chance given to Sachin, and he started batting again. But this time, Coach Achrekar sir was not there, but he was watching Sachin from somewhere else. You see the words, I was asked to bat again without sir's trained. You see, I sum up the third and fourth stanzas. You see, when சச்சினை அந்த கேம்புக்கு சம்மர் கேம்புக்கு அஜித் கூட்டிகிட்டு போகும்போது பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு ட்ரையல், ஒரு டர்ன் ஒன்று கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த டர்ன் கொடுக்கும்போது சச்சினோட டர்ன் வருது, சச்சினும் இப்போ பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். அதை பார்த்துட்டு தான் கோச் அச்ரேகர் சார் வந்து அந்த டீமுக்கு அவரை இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆனால் நிறைய பீப்புள் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கும்போதும் கோச்சுக்கு முன்னாடியும் சச்சின் கொஞ்சம் நர்வஸாக ஃபீல் பண்ணதுனால தன்னோட ஃபஸ்ட்டு ட்ரையலை அவரால் பெட்டராக பண்ண முடியலை. ஆனால் அவரோட பிரதர் அஜித் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு அப்படின்னா, சார்கிட்ட ஒன் மோர் ரெக்வஸ்ட் கேட்குறாரு. என்ன ஒன் மோர் ரெக்வஸ்ட்? சச்சின் ரொம்ப பெட்டராகவே பண்ணுவான், நீங்கள் அவனுக்கு இன்னொரு சான்ஸ் கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே கோச்சும் அதை அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, தூரத்தில் இருந்து சச்சின் செகண்ட் டைமாக பேட் பண்ணுறத நின்று அவர் பார்க்குறாரு. இப்போ ஒரு பயங்கரமான ஒரு டேர்னிங் ஒன்று அவரோட லைஃப்பில் நடக்க போகுது. You see, because why it is a turning point to Sachin? Because in that camp, Sachin only was given the second chance to bat before the coach. But on seeing the nervousness of Sachin, the coach, and seeing the nervousness of Sachin, the coach pretended to go somewhere and watch him from a distance. You see the last word, without source trained. I go to the next page. With eyes scrutinizing to me, eyes scrutinizing me. You see the word scrutinizing means watching or examining deeply and clearly. You see, Sachin felt happy because coach was not there. Whenever Sachin saw the coach, he felt some kind of nervous, and in his second chance the coach was not visible there, so he feels somewhat comfort, and this time Sachin doing his best. Also, I thought I felt more at ease. You see the word at ease. At ease means simple or easy. When Sar was not there, Sachin felt comfortable and soon started to hit the ball well. This time Sar agreed. Actually, when Sachin was given a second chance, Sar watching him from a distance and watched how the performance given by Sachin, and seeing the second chance and seeing the second second best performance, Sir agreed to let me join the camp. Finally, Sachin's dream came to true that he was selected to the summer camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. Opportunity that transformed my life. Here, Sachin felt happy because you see how the incidents and how the people made Sachin into the path of success. If he was rejected at the first time, he never dreamed of joining the Mumbai cricket circuit, but there was a second chance given to Sachin, and he was selected at the age of 11 for the summer camp. And in most of the interviews, he said that second chance only giving a transformation to my life. Like that, he explained it in all the interviews. Okay, today we saw how Sachin was included in the summer camp. Actually, he had a great dream of playing with the Mumbai cricket team. For that, he had to be selected in the summer camp. This is the process. And Sachin felt happy and delighted because he was selected to the summer camp and waiting for the one more chance to join the Mumbai cricket team. Okay, this is what we seen today, and let me explain the remaining part in next class. I hope all of you understood the lesson. And today, and one more thing I have to introduce today, you see the words glossary. For the first and the second page, I have written the glossary. You see, the first word, what is mean by emulate? Match or surpass typically by imitation. ஒருவரை பார்த்து அவர் என்ன செய்கிறாரோ அது அப்படியே நம்ம இமிட்டேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் எமுலேட். ஓவர் ஏவ்டு, இம்ப்ரெஸ்டு, எக்ஸைட்டட். ஓவர் ஏவ்டு மீன்ஸ் இம்ப்ரெஸ்ட் அண்ட் எக்ஸைட்டட். இண்டக்ஷன், the act of adding or including. Induction means act of adding or including. Mumbai cricket circuit, which means Mumbai cricket team. Insistence, another word, insistence. Insistent means demand, valiyuruthal, or asking, request. Insistent means demand. Scrutinizing, keep watching or examining. Scrutinizing means keep watching or examining carefully. At ease, easy or simple. Rigorous. Okay, this up to this level only we have seen words. I explained the remaining in next class. Thank you. I hope all of you understood the lesson. Thank you,